wanna eat jackfruit? You like jackfruit? More? You want? Sky is eating jackfruit. Cookie doesn't want to eat. So I'm trying to feed them. They both doesn't want to eat. Let's try for Cookie. If it will eat or not. Cookie, don't eat that. You want? You don't want jackfruit? Okay. Cookie is eating and Sky is eating some food. Now Cookie is gymnastics time. So watch. I think it's Sky's. English. Now Sky wants something. Hey, you want? No. What is Cookie doing over here? They both are fighting. Cookie, Sky, can you see these lights? Now Sky is doing the gymnastics. It's standing on the swing, playing with Cookie, and it wants to chew the mobile's cover. What is Sky doing? Hey Cookie! Cookie, hey! Hey, say hi. No Sky, no! Cookie is saying no to Sky, while Sky is playing like that. Hey Cookie. Sky? Oh, Cookie is playing with the bells. Cookie, you don't want to do gymnastics. Now it will make gymnastics, guys. So watch on. What is it doing really? Here. Oh God! Now Cookie is trying to do it again. Oh God. God, Cookie! Cookie, get down. Get down, Cookie. It is here. Cookie, no more playing with that now. Now Sky is trying to make, see? No more Sky. No more playing with that now. Very good. Cookie, I said no. Maybe it will play like that. Oh God, it's playing with the bells. I think it liked the sound of it. I think it won the which color? Oh God! Yes.